Introducing yourself. Spanish Basic Level Lesson 5. Interrogation word translates from English to Spanish. Word translates to K, which translates to call. There are exceptions to these translations. We will learn these as we go along. Grammar tips. In Spanish, it is necessary to use the question mark at the start and end of the question. This is done to communicate the tone of the sentence, question tone. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? And you have seen in Spanish, we have put a question mark at the starting like this, and at the end of the question also indicate that it is a question. Interrogative words have a written accent because they are used unaccented in other ways, such as la voy ella cuando voy la escuela. I see her when I go to school. While going to school, I am able to see her. That would be the information. Like some information is getting provided in this sentence. But in the second, cuando vas a la escuela? When do you go to school? It is seeking for the information, asking a question. So this is the difference. Introduction. What is your name? Hey, es tu nombre? Instead of using K, we are saying es tu nombre for now. Tu without accent means your. So grammar tip. Why we don't use K in that above sentence? Because K and qual are both used as translation for but, although qual is literally closer to which. It is used as what to ask for answers, which may have several possibilities. Example, ¿cuál es tu problema? What is your problem? ¿Cuál is usually used to indicate a selection or a choice of possibility why. K is generally seeking for a illicit definition. Example, ¿qué significa talanquera? What does talanquera mean? It is asking for specific information and definition about something. While is usually used before S and other form of cell when not seeking a definition. So it is also mentioned not seeking definition. When definition is sought, you will use K. Since what is the name may have any possible answer and is not really seeking a definition, we use qual. What is the name? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Tu translates to your. Tu without accent translates to your. As translates to as. Remember, tu without an accent, your, showing possessive. Tu with accent translates to you. We will cover all possessive pronouns in future lesson. Now let's see one question here. Your name. So with your, it would be without accent tu. Tu nombre. First one. Grammar tip we have ¿Cómo te llamas? Is also commonly used to ask people's name. However, it is literally translates to how do you call yourself? My name is Mark. Mi nombre es Mark. So we can see literal translation. My means me, is means as. So next we have pick the right option. My name is Lisa. So mi nombre es Lisa. Introduction. I am a student. Yo soy estudiante. Please remember, pronouns can be omitted. So we can say soy estudiante. Grammar tip. In Spanish, yo can be omitted as it's understandable that when we use soy, we are referring to I. So I am is equals to soy am. A student can also be translated as un estudiante or una estudiante. To make it more complete, by using un and una, you reveal the gender, male or female of a student. So we can say soy un estudiante, I am a student, referring to male. Soy una estudiante, I am a student, referring to female. Pronunciation, the U in UN is pronounced as double O, that is U, as in Ubuntu, and not like U in umbrella. The introduction of professions, English, we have I am engineer. So translate in Spanish to yo soy ingeniero. Ingeniera. The pronoun can be omitted, so it can be soy ingeniero, ingeniera. Ingeniero for male, ingeniera for female. I am a doctor. Soy médico, médico for male, médica for female. I am a teacher or professor, you can say. Soy profesor for male, profesora for female. You notice the pronunciation of ingeniero, G, when followed by E or I, takes up the sound of a stress H. Grammar tip. Note that the names of professions like ingeniero, professor, etc. are not capitalized. This is because introductory titles are not capitalized in Spanish, although their common abbreviations such as doctor for doctor are. Introduction of gender. I am a boy, soy chico. I am a girl, soy chica. Grammar tip. We don't add un or una before professions like ingeniero or ingeniera, translates to engineer in English. Words such as chico or chica as the last letter of the word itself revealing the gender. So that's not needed. However, in case of estudiante, the word itself does not reveal the gender, hence we added the unorina. I am from Chicago, so would translate to yo soy de Chicago. Pronoun can be omitted, so we can say soy de Chicago. Let's revise. I am Mark, yo soy Mark. So pronoun can be omitted, so soy Mark. My name is Lisa, mi nombre es Lisa. I am boy, soy chico. I am a student, soy una estudiante, referring to male, female, student. I'm a girl, soy chica. I am from Chicago. Yo soy de Chicago. Pronoun can be omitted, so soy de Chicago. Try yourself, male student. Student for student, we have estudiante, not they were not revealing the gender, so we'll use for male un estudiante. Second option. Doctor. So medico or medica self reveals the gender. We are not adding unorina, so these options are already been subtracted. And female it is, so medica would be the correct answer. Now that you know how to introduce yourself and talk about what to do, what you do, let's look at some other basic phrases like asking for introduction. What's your phone number? ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? Which form of what to use? ¿Cuál is generally used to indicate selection, choice, or possibility, and K is generally used for illicit definition. So while asking for a telephone number to someone, it's not seeking for definition. So we can use ¿cuál? Numero de teléfono means number of telephone. Now we have mi número de teléfono es. So we can say my telephone number is. Now you can tell your number. Mi translates to my, they translate to of. Revision, word list we have name, nombre, student, estudiante, boy, chico, engineer, ingeniero, ingeniera for male and female, doctor, medico male, medica female, teacher, professor for male, professora for female, phone number, numero de teléfono. Revision for interrogation, English, word translates to K, which translates to call. Next we have I am Mark, yo soy Mark, so we can say soy Mark. What is the name? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? With a question mark at the starting and at the end also. My name is Lisa, mi nombre es Lisa. I am from Chicago, so yo soy de Chicago. Instead we can say soy de Chicago. So with that, the lesson ends. We'll see you in next one.